God bless mommy, daddy too. God bless me and God bless you. God bless everyone. God bless everyone. God bless mommy, daddy too. God bless me and God bless you. God bless everyone. God bless everyone. Hi everyone. How do you feel today? Oh great. It's the time to learn literacy. Are you ready? Yes. Today we are going to learn all about letter G. Which letter we are going to learn? All about letter G. Do you remember our last lesson? Which letter we have done? We learned all about letter F. Today we are going to learn all about letter G. Letter G is a consonant. Today I am going to teach you how to write letter G, the sound of letter G, word starts with letter G, jolly phonic song of letter G, and what are the hands-on activities we can do for letter G. Are you ready? Here we go. First I am going to write uppercase G on the board. As you all know, there are two types of letters, uppercase and lowercase. You know, there are two red lines and two blue lines. This line we call as our headline, and this is tummy line, two tummy lines, and this is leg line. Headline, two tummy lines and leg line. Uppercase G will start from the headline and it goes to the second tummy line all the way round, go up and go inside, come out in the same line, and we'll go down a standing line. One more time, all the way round. Yes, go up, go inside and go outside little, and standing line. Are you ready to practice with me? Take these two fingers. Yes, all the way round. Yes, go inside. Yes, come out and standing line. One more time. Yes, all the way round. Go inside. Come out from the same way and goes down. This letter we call as uppercase G, mother G, capital G, big G. Now let's see how to write lowercase g. We'll start from the first tummy line. Yes, it's just like open curve, stop it, go back to the top, a standing line goes down and hook like this. It's just like an open curve, stop it, go back to the top, a standing line goes down and a hook. Are you ready to practice with me? Yes. A open curve, just like C. Here, stop it, go back to the top, a standing line goes down and a hook. Yes. Go down and a hook. Do they look same? No. Even though they look different, they make the same sound. What is the sound of letter G? K, K, What is the sound of letter G? K. K. Yes. Now you know how to write letter G and what is the sound of letter G. Now let's see what are the words starts with letter G. Number 1, girl. Do you remember our body parts lesson? We learn about gender. You know who's girl and who's boy. Girl means a young female. A young female we call as girl. Is it clear? Yes. Number 2, goat. Goat is a farm animal. God gives us milk. And fur. Fur also we use to make clothes. And also it gives us meat. Number 3, gift. Gift means we are giving something to someone. Willingly we are giving. Without any money. Without any money, if we are giving something to someone, it we call as gift. This is a gift I got from one of my student. When the Christmas coming, Santa Claus give so many gifts. Number 4, guitar. Guitar is a long, flat string musical instrument. It has a wide neck and usually it has 6 strings. We can play the guitar by our fingers or else we can use a pick. Guitar makes lovely music. Do you like to listen guitar music? Number 5, garden. Garden is a plant space. Usually it is outside from the home. We can cultivate vegetables, flowers on the garden and we can make ponds. We can enjoy in our garden. If you have a beautiful garden, we all love to stay in the evening and have a chat and have a tea. Isn't it? Now you all know 5 words starts with letter G. Are you ready to remind with me what are the words which we learned today? Number 1, girl. Number 2, goat. Number 3, gift. Number 4, guitar. Number 5. What is number 5? Garden. Yes. Now you all know how to write letter G, the sound of letter G, what are the words starts with letter G. Now it's the time to sing jolly phonic song. Are you ready to sing with me? Actually, this phonic song, the content is when the water is coming through the drain, the gurgling, the sound comes ka, 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 ka. Now we are going to sing. 1, 2, 3, start. Water gurgles down the drain, water gurgles down the drain, water gurgles down the drain with ga 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 ga. Water gurgles down the drain, water gurgles down the drain, water gurgles down the drain with ga 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 ga. Now you know the jolly phonic song of letter G. Now it's the time to do the hands-on activities. Are you ready? Before doing the hands-on activities, make sure to wear your apron. Hi dear children, today I am going to use glitter glue for this activity. Let's see how to do letter G with glitter glue. If you don't have glitter glue, don't worry. You can use semolina, salt, Play-Doh, cushy bags, many things. Now I am going to show you how to write uppercase G. See? I use a simple file for this activity. See? One more time. Go round. Yeah. Come inside. Yes, like this. If you want to make outline, first you make outline, and after that you can do with glitter glue. This is very funny activity. You can try with your mama. Now I will show you how to write lowercase g. It's very easy. This is golden color glitter. See, around, stop. Go back to the top. Go down and make a hook. One more time. Yes, go back to the top and hook. See, if you want the outer line, you can make by your pencil first and ask your mama to do this, and after that you can do with glitter. Stop it. Back to the top. Yes. This is lowercase g, uppercase g, lowercase g. So I'll turn and show to you. This is uppercase G and this is a lowercase g. Make sure to practice with your mama. My next lesson is all about letter H. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.